guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I personally do my eyebrows, and I hope you guys enjoy. First, I am priming my eyebrows with Ulta Beauty's Matte Eye Primer. I feel like applying primer helps my eyebrows stay on longer, so I would definitely recommend for you guys to add this to your routine. After applying my primer, I am going to apply a small amount of Ulta Beauty's Brow Tint in shade medium at the ends of my eyebrows. I like to do this as part of my eyebrow routine because it gives my eyebrows a very sharp and defined look. After applying, I am using a brow brush to smudge out the tint throughout my eyebrows. As you guys can see, smudging it out helps make the brow look more defined. After smudging the ends of the eyebrows, I am going to use a brow brush to blend out the inner areas of my brows to make them look more natural. The goal here is to try to have our brows look as natural and defined as possible. Once I am done doing that, I am using Anastasia's 7B brow brush to shape my eyebrows with L'Oreal's Frame and Set Brow Gel. This step is helping me outline my eyebrows to the shape that I want them to be. After the eyebrow outlining step, I am going to use an eyebrow definer pencil to color in my eyebrows to make them look more fuller and darker. Guys, literally shaping eyebrows, your best friend will be the brush and a Q-tip. Brush helps you shape and blend out your brows evenly to make them look more natural, and Q-tips literally help you get rid of any smudges or any mistakes that you guys made during the brow process. Once you feel like your eyebrows look the way that you want them to be, use concealer to highlight and make your brows stand out. I did not do this step because my main focus was to show you guys an eyebrow tutorial and hoping that it will help you guys learn a new way of achieving your eyebrow goals. Guys, huge tip before I end this video. Please do not keep looking at your eyebrows in the mirror because your eyebrows will start moving on you, and next thing you know, you will see your eyebrows start looking like this.
You've been through, why you got scars.
Well guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope my tutorial helped, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video.
What's the story to tell? What's the story behind?